Hello everyone, this is Kina from Colorful Chaos. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you. You guys have shown so much love and support by my side, and this really means a lot. Thank you for patiently waiting for your name. And seriously, I just love the way you all appreciate my work and say so much lovely things in the comments. That really means a lot. So I'll be chit chatting with you all in a comment basis now, and I'll be trying my best to be very consistent. And yeah, I'll be uploading almost 2 or 3 videos or shorts per day. So just be consistent, be have an habit of checking my short section for your names. That's it.